I would argue that most engineers that come here come to see the machine tools, they come to see them cutting and see them in action, and they maybe don't realise some of the software that you supply and how much that can actually help them. Tell us about the NC Assist to start with.
NC Assist is a programming piece of software for running on PCs and laptops. We've been using this now for many years. It's an ongoing development. As new machines come on stream, we add them into NC Assist, and we're even winding the software back to cover some of the older models that we previously haven't covered.
So how does it make it easier?
It's a template-driven software, so it's very conversational. There's lots of graphics involved, so it just makes building a program for a sliding head machine very simple, very straightforward, step by step.
So whereas you might look at a part and think, gee whiz, how am I going to make sure this tool doesn't hit that? The right tool goes in the right place at the right time. All of this can take a lot of that worry away.
It does. It puts a lot of code in. All the code is formatted in a very specific way, which obviously suits our machines, but obviously makes it a very standard sort of format for all programmers.
HFT, this is some software that we've been talking a lot about recently. For those that haven't heard about it, just tell us the advantages to using this software now on your machines.
HFT can work on head 1, it can work on head 2 at the same time. It's a chip breaking software, it can work on any linear axes, and again, this software we can install on some older machines as well as brand new machines, but it just makes those difficult to chip materials easier to chip the swarf, basically.
Have you got a lot of customers that are reporting back that this is saving them a lot of time or is enabling them to use the machine unmanned?
Absolutely. It's solution to a stringy swarf problem. So we've got lots of users out there already that are repeating their orders now and insisting that HFT is installed on their next machines.
Smoozy, is that how you pronounce it? Tell us the detail on that one.
It's Star Monitoring and Operator Support System. Don't pin me down on the name, it's an SMJ name.
You certainly won't forget it.
But basically, this is a piece of software that can monitor the status of a machine, it can give you live reports on productivity, current program, current cycle time, that sort of thing. It can even delve into the active tool life of all the tools in the machine tool, so it can predict when that machine's going to sort of stop for a tool life check. It can show you any alarms that have been generated on the machine, so it helps the customer plan their production better and obviously be more efficient in the process.
It sounds a lot like Industry 4.0.
It is. It's all part of that Industry 4 sort of solution, basically, that Star have provided.
Is it just for your Star machines, or can it be utilised on other sliding head products potentially?
Smoozy is just a Star product, but it will go back and support machines that are 25 years old. So it's, it covers almost every machine in our entire range, not just our current range.